This column is empty, and nobody wants to fill it in by hand. One IF formula and Google Sheets will label every row for you and keep labeling them. Here's the sheet: 5 reps, what each one sold, and an empty status column. If asks a question, then gives you 2 answers. Is the number in B2 greater than 1,000? If yes, say on target. If no, say below. Anna sold 1,200, so she's on target. That's the whole idea. The sheet decided, not you. Now, to do the other 4 without retyping anything, copy that cell, select the rest of the column, and paste. Every row judged at once. Notice the formula followed each row down. B3, B4, B5. It wasn't stuck on B2. And it keeps working. Drop Kara's number below 1,000 and watch her status. It flipped by itself. That's the point of a formula instead of typing the words. One more. If you want 3 answers instead of 2, put a second if where the no answer goes and it asks another question. Kara's number goes back up first, then the same copy and paste down the column. Paste it down again, and now the sheet sorts everyone into 3 buckets instead of 2. One formula, and the sheet judges every row from here on out.